ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني من المسلمين.
How you doing? I like the shirt, Milwaukee, huh?
Thank
the
you.
power tools.
Are you alright?
Good. You from here, Leicester?
Yeah.
I'm from the U.S., man. I always see. Good, good. What's your name?
Christopher.
Christopher. You know about Islam, Christopher?
Not really.
Oh, all right. Let me tell you real quick, yeah?
Yeah.
In Islam, we believe there's only one God. We believe that none should be worshipped except that God above. We don't worship saints. We don't worship prophets. We only worship the one God. We live a clean life, no drugs, no alcohol, pray 5 times a day. That makes sense to you?
Yeah.
Sounds good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so why don't you be a Muslim?
I'm a Christian.
Oh, what does that mean you're a Christian?
Just I believe in God. And
I believe in God too. As Muslims, we believe in God.
it's just the same. It's virtually the same.
Right? But do you believe Jesus is God, or do you believe the God he worshipped is God?
God is one in the same.
Right? So but do you believe Jesus is God? How you doing? Right? You know him or?
Yeah, I know.
All right, cool, cool.
Yeah.
So, do you believe Jesus is God, or do you believe the God that he worshipped is God? Think about it, right? If Jesus was God, who would he be worshiping?
Well, no one needs worshipping, do they, so to speak. But
Right.
people are people that help
Right.
other people.
Okay, good.
So if you want to say that God is someone that is worshipped,
Right.
then that's a nice thing.
Right.
And that's
good.
something that should be. But
Okay.
I don't agree totally.
Okay.
If you understand what I mean.
I don't, but go ahead.
Right. What I'm trying to say is,
everyone's
the same.
Okay.
Apart from the fact, I will backtrack a little bit.
All right.
Apart from the fact that God is a creator.
Good. I'm good with that. God is a creator.
Yeah.
Okay. You believe that too?
Huh? Has helped.
God does help.
Mankind.
Okay, good. He sent prophets to us.
Yeah.
Like Abraham.
Yeah.
Moses.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Muhammad.
Yeah.
They were prophets, yeah? So that's a Muslim belief, man.
Right.
Right, but Christians would
believe in a similar sort of.
Except that they would say Jesus is God.
Right.
But you would say Jesus is a prophet that was sent to help mankind, right?
Right.
So your belief is closer to the Muslim belief than it is to the Christian belief.
Well, it's one in the same. I do believe it's similar.
Yeah. But the difference being, do you think Jesus is a prophet or do you think he's God?
God's God.
God's God. So
God
Jesus is not God.
No, Jesus is God's son, daughter.
Jesus' son's daughter?
No.
Does God have a daughter? I didn't know that.
Son, daughter, I don't know.
Yeah. Maybe he chooses?
No, there's no choice.
All right, good, good. So Jesus...
It was just a lovely thing
that
happened.
Right? What happened?
Well, from what I know very little about, to be fair, is the Virgin Mary when that was...
she gave a miraculous birth?
Yeah.
To Jesus.
Jesus Christ, yeah.
Who was a prophet sent to guide mankind, right? To set a good example.
Sort of.
Right.
See, you're telling me stuff that I don't really 100% know of.
Okay, good. That's why we have a conversation, so you can learn.
Yeah.
Right? If you already 100% knew, then what would be the point of talking?
Well, there's not, is there?
Right. So, Jesus was born without a father. That is true. Right?
Yeah.
But Adam was born without a father or mother, right?
Yeah.
But that doesn't mean he's a physical son of God, right?
No.
Yeah? That makes sense?
Yeah.
Right? So, we believe that Jesus is a prophet of God.
Yeah.
Like Adam was a prophet of God. Born miraculously, but not God himself.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, sort of.
Good.
Take that.
Have a good day.
ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا